Hello, I'm from Digital Awareness UK and you are watching this video because you have been invited to attend one of our online presentations, or webinars as they're sometimes called, and I really hope that you're going to join us. That's because we want to support you to keep your child safe when using devices or technology like smartphones, laptops and games consoles. On the webinar, you'll hear from one of our experts on things like what apps and games your child is using online, or how to talk to them about spending too much time in front of a screen. Here are some of the other things we'll be talking about. Popular apps and games. Now, you might hear people talking about games like Minecraft or social media apps like TikTok and Instagram. These apps and games let you do lots of fantastic things like share photographs, videos, talk to people or be creative, but they can also be harmful if they are used to do things like talk to dangerous people or find images or videos that are not suitable for children. Talking about being safe. It's important to talk to your child about some of the dangers of using technology in an unsafe way, as well as some of the good things about using it safely. You don't need to know everything, but it helps to know a little bit about things like online bullying so that your child feels like they can talk to you if they're ever worried or excited about something they see online. We'll be giving you tips on how to do this in the webinar. Setting boundaries. We recommend sitting down with your child and agreeing on what you do and don't feel comfortable with them doing with their technology. For example, are you happy for them to have their phone in their bedroom during the night? We'll also be running through parental controls, which are the settings you can switch on your child's phone or their social media, for example, to help stop them from seeing things that children shouldn't see. These are just a few things we'll be talking about on the online presentation. There will be plenty of time to ask questions, or if you just want to sit back and watch, that's also fine. If you have a device with access to the internet, you can join our webinar simply by clicking on the Zoom invitation link you will be sent. Zoom is what we'll be using for this webinar. If you're going to do this from a phone or a tablet, it might be easiest to download the Zoom app first. That way, when you click on the invitation link, you'll automatically join us without having to do much at all. If you're joining us from a laptop or desktop computer, you can click on the invitation link, and if you have the Zoom app, you'll automatically join the presentation. Or you can follow the instructions and join from your browser. Remember that there are lots of wonderful things for your child to explore when using the internet, so we're here to support you to ensure they can enjoy using it safely. Please get in touch with the person who sent you the invitation if you have any questions, and we look forward to you joining us on the webinar. Bye.